Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining. Today, we're talking about the hidden costs of manual processes and how a modern connected ERP platform like Dynamics 365 can transform operations, improve profitability, and set the stage for future growth. I'm Anne Diaz, Practice VP of our Dynamics 365 Business Central practice at Stoneridge Software. For over 25 years, I've helped manufacturers modernize how they run their businesses as a consultant, as a project manager, and as a practice leader. We'll start by looking at key manufacturing challenges in 2025. Then we'll explore how Dynamics 365 ERP addresses these issues. We'll dive into what transformation looks like and highlight real-world examples, all AI advancements and measurable results that organizations are seeing right now. Over the past few decades, manufacturing has transformed from paper-based record keeping to on-premise ERP systems and now to intelligent cloud-based operations. Each stage improved productivity, but today's manufacturing environment demands even more: speed, agility, and visibility that legacy systems simply can't deliver. Manufacturers face rapid demand shifts, geopolitical uncertainty, and constant pressure for agility. Costs are rising, supply chains are volatile, and competition is global. Yet many still rely on outdated systems. Paper-based tracking and spreadsheets might work for a while, but they slow down decision makings and introduce risk at every step. Manual processes don't just slow you down, they eat into your profits. Studies show that disconnected data and manual rework can reduce margins by up to 20%. Imagine what your business could do with that extra margin. When information is locked in spreadsheets, leadership is left reacting instead of planning. This is why digital transformation is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. Spreadsheets are powerful, but they weren't designed for scaling operations. We see those same signs across the industry. These issues compound over time, making it harder to meet deadlines, control costs, and stay compliant. If you're seeing some of these inefficiencies, some of these symptoms in your operations, this is impacting your bottom line. So operational costs, inventory costs, labor costs, quality and compliance issues, and customer satisfaction and IT and data costs. If you're using paper to track your business and getting caught up in the system at the end of the day, you could be in danger. Relying on end of shift or end of day reporting delays visibility to issues and increases response time. Increased risk of data entry errors and missed issues can occur, and it requires manual reconciliation and approvals, which slows down operations. Let me share a real example. One client managed their entire production schedule on a whiteboard and tracked inventory in Excel. It worked until it didn't. They faced frequent stockouts, missed deadlines, and costly rush orders. After moving to Dynamics 365, they cut downtime by 15% and improved on-time delivery by 20%. This is the power of connected, real-time data. You can replace spreadsheets with smart processes. Spreadsheet limitations, as we've talked about, are prone to errors, they lack version control, and they do not scale with business needs very effectively. You need an embedded integration with Excel and built-in validation for accurate data export and import. You need workflows that reduce repetitive tasks, ensuring consistency and saving time in business processes. And you need those dashboards that provide actionable insights, enabling data-driven decisions and performance monitoring in real time. That is how Dynamics 365 can help. Dynamics 365 ERP and CRM integrate finance, operations, sales, customer service, and reporting into a single cloud-based solution for streamlined management. They're powered by secure Microsoft Azure, and they support scalable growth without infrastructure concerns. They have native integrations with Outlook, Excel, and Teams to boost productivity and enable seamless collaboration across your teams. And they have real-time data access, automated workflows, and customizable dashboards to empower quick and informed decision-making. You can streamline manufacturing operations with Dynamics 365 ERP. Within these systems, you have production orders to enable detailed planning and execution, ensuring efficient allocation of resources and materials. Bills of material support multi-level configurations for accurate costing and effective inventory management. You have routing and capacity planning to optimize machine and work center use. This reduces production bottlenecks. And assembly management to simplify finished goods creation and integrate with inventory and finance for real-time updates. Continuing on with the feature set, you can automate procurement and scheduling to align supply with manufacturing demand efficiently. The systems have quality control to block defective items, track lot and serial numbers, and ensure regulatory compliance. An MES integration captures time and attendance, providing real-time shop floor production monitoring. AI-powered predictive analytics forecast demand and capacity, enabling proactive manufacturing planning. There are many benefits of MES systems. They capture consumption and output in real time, and they improve inventory accuracy and traceability. They reduce manual data entry, support compliance, and give leadership live insights into performance metrics. Paper-based inspections are difficult to audit and inconsistent. Dynamics 365 automates inspection workflows, maintains digital audit trails, and provides instant alerts for nonconformances. Compliance reporting becomes fast and reliable, supporting standards like ISO, FDA, and OSHA directly within the ERP environment. Let's look at a real-world scenario in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Imagine a food manufacturer who needs to track every ingredient from supplier to finished product. With Business Central, they can automate production orders, manage material requirements, and ensure every batch meets quality standards. Lot tracking is built in, so if there's ever a recall, they know exactly which products are affected. This level of control is critical in regulated industries. Dynamics 365 Business Central is designed for small and mid-sized manufacturers who need a single system to manage everything from financials to production. It brings together accounting, inventory, purchasing, and manufacturing in one place. With real-time dashboards, you can see your entire operations at a glance, no more waiting for month-end reports, and because it's flexible, you can deploy it in the cloud, on-premise, or a hybrid of both, depending on your needs. Business Central doesn't work in isolation. With Microsoft's Power Platform, you can automate approvals, visualize KPIs, and even build custom apps for your shop floor. For example, you might create a Power App that lets operators log downtime events directly from a tablet, feeding that data back into your ERP for real-time analysis. For larger or more complex manufacturers, Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain offers advanced capabilities. You get sophisticated production scheduling, resource planning, and the ability to manage multiple sites or even global operations. AI-driven demand forecasting helps you plan inventory and production more accurately, while predictive maintenance reduces downtime by identifying issues before they become problems. Here's a real-world example. A discrete manufacturer with plants in 3 countries. With Dynamics 365, they coordinate production schedules, manage inventory across borders, and automate procurement. Predictive analytics monitor machine health, reducing downtime by nearly 20%. This type of integration is a game changer for global manufacturers. Compliance and sustainability are top priorities for manufacturers today. Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain includes built-in tools for regulatory compliance, whether it's ISO, FDA, or other standards. Sustainability dashboards help you track your carbon footprint and waste, supporting your ESG goals. And with automated audit trails, you're always ready for an inspection. Dynamics 365 customer engagement connects your sales, service, and manufacturing teams. Sales can see real-time production status, service teams can proactively update customers, and field service can schedule maintenance based on actual equipment usage. This unified approach improves customer satisfaction and streamlines operations. Let's take a machinery manufacturer as an example. They use Dynamics 365 customer engagement to manage service contracts and schedule preventative maintenance. IoT sensors on their equipment trigger service tickets automatically when maintenance is needed. Customers can log into a portal to see real-time updates on their orders and service requests, reducing calls and improving transparency. Customer engagement isn't just about managing cases, it's about building relationships. AI-driven recommendations help your sales team identify upsell and cross-sell opportunities. You can segment customers for targeting marketing campaigns and analytics to provide insights into satisfaction and service trends. This helps you deliver a more personalized experience and drive growth. Now, how is AI changing the landscape? AI in manufacturing isn't science fiction, it's here today. Predictive analytics help you forecast demand and maintenance needs. Machine learning can spot quality issues before they reach your customers. And AI agents like Microsoft Copilots automate routine tasks and provide real time insights, freeing your team to focus on what matters most. In supply chains, you have the opportunity to optimize logistics and routes. You have predictive maintenance agents, and you have end-to-end visibility to pull data from multiple sources, ERP, WMS, TMS, and other external sources. And you have automated order entry and reconciliation. Automate routine procurement and order entry tasks, leverage AI to improve those reconciliations and things like invoice matching. Here's a practical example, predictive maintenance. IoT sensors monitor equipment health in real time. AI analyzes this data and predicts failures before they happen, allowing you to schedule maintenance proactively. This reduces unplanned downtime and saves money, sometimes millions per year for larger operations. Microsoft Copilot brings AI directly into Dynamics 365. You can ask questions in plain English, like which suppliers are at risk this week, and get actionable answers. Copilot can even recommend next steps, automate follow ups, and integrate seamlessly with your ERP and CRM data. This is a game changer for decision making speed and accuracy. These AI agents are in D365 today. You can take advantage of these in each of the three products we've talked about to improve operations, enhance your customer experience, and enable efficiency and productivity. Based on a study with IDC, 27% more manufacturing processes automated and 20% improvement of productivity across supply chain, procurement, and inventory management system teams was enabled by using Dynamics 365 AI-powered ERP and CRM solutions. When manufacturers move to Dynamics 365, ROI appears fast. Reduced manual effort, faster decisions, less downtime, and more reliable data all translate to higher profit margins. It's not about technology for its own sake, it's about measurable outcomes. Technology alone isn't enough. Successful transformation requires executive sponsorship, a clear vision, and a commitment to change management. Training your users and supporting them through the transition is critical. And remember, digital transformation is a journey, not a one-time event. Continuous improvement is key. Many projects stumble because they underestimate the human side of change. Don't skip process review and documentation. These steps are essential for a smooth transition. And always plan for data migration and integration early on. Addressing these areas up front will save you time, money, and frustration down the road. Speaking of a road, the first step for your business may be a roadmap. This is a discovery workshop where we evaluate your current systems, identify the biggest process bottlenecks, and build a clear roadmap to the cloud. Whether you start small with finance and inventory or go all in on supply chain, we tailor a pace that fits your organization. The Stoneridge proven process is critical to the success of all of our projects. It starts with the align phase, where we partner together to solve your challenges. We focus on understanding each other, shaping the project, and determine what our partnership looks like. In the define stage, we start to develop the proposed solution and our method for accomplishing the goals. Common activities here are preparing teams, validating the approach, and agreeing on the scope of the project. In the create phase, we work together to create your solution. Common activities focus on building the right system, preparing you to own the system, and plan for lifecycle success. During the deploy phase, we ensure we are ready for the last steps and that we will be successful. We focus on training users, going live, and preparing for ongoing support. And then in the empower phase, we transition out of project mode and into steady operations. We stabilize the system and get to business as usual, then transition to support. Digital transformation doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, focus on quick wins that deliver measurable outcomes. As you build momentum, you can scale your efforts across the organization. And don't go it alone. Partner with experts who can guide you through each step of the journey. If what you've seen today resonates, the next step is a conversation. Let's explore how Dynamics 365 can support your growth and operational excellence goals. Together, we can replace spreadsheets and manual processes with a modern, connected system designed for today's manufacturing challenges. Thank you for your time and attention today.